Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Guys, I recently had a couple coming up to me for counseling and they had a peculiar issue. Those two were not in talking terms, and the reason being that they weren't able to decide. The wife was like, we don't holiday together, we don't go on holidays at all. So then when I asked them, so obviously when I talked to them separately, I asked them what is the reason, why is that you guys don't go on a holiday? Is it like work pressure, you don't get the time, or the kids? Surprisingly, the answer was that no, we have different choices of places, and it's never that we are in sync to go on a common place or a common destination. I found it really hilarious and I was laughing at it, and they found it funny because they said it's something serious and you're laughing at it. So I just told them, sometimes it's just the way you look at things. I mean, in a year, maybe you go on a holiday once or twice, or maybe 2 years once. That's absolutely okay. So then I just gave them a very simple idea that all that you need to do is, okay, next time, now say for example, next year you want to go on a holiday. Both of you take a paper and put down 3 choices of where he wants to go and where you want to go, right? And then and then when you see the choices, if there is a common place that comes, or maybe you can make your list a little bigger. I'm sure you will have at least one common place happening, and I did this exercise with both of them without telling them. You will not believe that there was, out of the 5 options that both of them chose, there was one common place. It was that simple. Sometimes we complicate things in our own mind, in our own head, and many a times in a relationship these days with couples I see is the egos. Now for this they didn't have to come to me practically. All that they had to do is just sit down with each other, talk, discuss, and come to consensus for a common destination. Right? The whole idea is to make memories together, have that great time together, and enjoy each other's company and take a break from your work. That's all that is holidays are all about, right? It's not about I want to go somewhere, you want to go somewhere. The idea is that we just need to be together as a family and enjoy ourselves. So I hope, guys, next time around when you are having these petty arguments with your partners, you can solve it in your head and you need not argue on things which are very small. These days I very often tell couples when they come to me for counseling that these are issues, they are not even issues. I don't even categorize them as issues. Of course, I'm sure there are underlying a lot of things that is running in your head and that you're not able to, maybe that's not at the forefront. But the deeper issues are separate, fine. But on these small petty things, you can always sort it out and finish it up. So next time, please talk. Please sit on the table. I always say this. Once after the entire day of work, go back home, have dinner together. That should be a mandate that you should do in your married life. So that you get to talk, be it good, bad, ugly, finish it. So that your marriage can keep running and keep going. Do let me know how this thought resonated with you. Until then, it's me, Neha, saying bye.